soon to rise, on the foothills of majestic Mount Makiling, is one of the biggest hospitals in Calabarzon, the Santo Tomas Doctors Hospital and Medical Center, or STDHMC. The Santo Tomas Doctors Hospital is located along Maharlika Highway, next to the future SM Mall, a future commercial hub in the south with catchment area Cavite, Laguna, Batangas, Quezon and Rizal, or Calabarzon. Just a few meters from the hospital is the future loading and unloading area for buses and jeepneys servicing the area. STDHMC will be run by the founders, a group of specialist doctors whose collective mission is to provide accessible, compassionate, high-quality, cost-effective, and innovative healthcare to our community and neighboring provinces, and to help promote holistic health and wellness. Our tagline, "Our home, our own, our honor," is an invitation to the community to make this hospital their home, and their own, and we, the healthcare providers, are honored to serve them. Our logo captures our mission with the cross and two people reaching out. The upper person represents the physician reaching out to the patient with compassion, as symbolized by the lines of the cross shaped like a heart. The four corners of the cross represents the major specialties: medicine, pediatrics, surgery, and OB-gynecology. A grand lobby, that looks more like a hotel than a hospital, will greet the incoming patients and guests. The pharmacy will also be on the lobby for easy access. Food courts, cafes, gift shops, and banking facility will be available on the basement floor. The hospital building sits on more than 7,600 square meters lot, with a hospital floor area of 31,000 square meters, consisting of 8 floors and 2 basements. It will house 247 private suites, several operating rooms, triage area, a trauma room, where doctors can perform emergency minor procedures on trauma cases, 24 ER cubicles, radiology and imaging procedures, laboratory, and ancillary services. Accessible via an escalator is the second floor that houses the operating room, ICU, cardiac cath, stroke center, and coronary care units. Also on the second floor is coffee shop where family members can relax while waiting for their patient's procedure. Located on the third and fourth floors are cardiovascular center, hemodialysis, endoscopy, pulmonary, lithotripsy, or stone center, rehab, maxillofacial center, voice center, eye center, and dental and orthodontics. Other specialty centers, such as Women's Wellness Center, Cancer Center, Endocrinology and Metabolic Unit, are on other floors. All these centers have state-of-the-art equipment and facilities. Multi-specialty centers, plus industrial and HMO units, will provide a one-stop shop for patients, so they don't have to go to other hospitals for all their diagnostic and therapeutic needs. As mentioned, all these centers have state-of-the-art equipment and facilities. On the top floor lies a healing garden oasis overlooking the stunning Mount Makiling, where a wellness center, spa and gym are found. The stunning view of Mount Makiling completes the healing environment. Also will be available is a medical outpatient department, which can accommodate enough specialists. During pandemic, STDHMC will be offering telemedicine, where you can talk to your doctor in the comfort of your home. Our aim is to prevent transmission of infectious diseases to patients, and to protect healthcare workers. Chapel and prayer rooms will provide comfortable, peaceful, and quiet retreat for both patients and their families. On the 8th floor will be a big auditorium, which can accommodate 300 theater seats and 150 table settings. Good for big conferences and conventions, which will also be catered by restaurants on the top floor. To support the operations of Santo Tomas Doctors Hospital and Medical Center is a world best practice, fully digital hospital management system to help make patient admission and discharge a breeze. Patients can book their admissions in advance, enabling forward planning resources such as staff, beds, lab equipment, and pre-order medicines and dietary requirements. From the patient's booking, both admin and doctors can view and print their appointments ahead of time, such that doctors and other healthcare personnel can also plan their activities. On the day of discharge, the patient's bill will be flashed on the bedside TV screen, so that patients can prepare their payment, and for the hospital, it will avoid revenue pilferage. The hospital will have additional critical auxiliary facilities, such as a mobile clinic, and oxygen generator machine, which will provide needing patients cheap oxygen supply. For security, an RFID-based parking system will be installed. CCTV will also be installed around the hospital premises to augment security for our clients. In the future, it is envisioned that we will build a separate building to house infectious disease cases, to prevent spread of infections, especially during times of pandemic. Also part of our future plans is to provide residency training, as well as nursing and paramedic trainings. Santo Thomas Doctors Hospital and Medical Center Incorporated was established, led by 6 visionaries, who dreamt of a hospital of the future, nestled on the green foothills of Mount McKeeling. Including most of the visionaries, our 15 board of directors, then there are 37 other founders. Both of these medical and non-medical founders are specialists and leaders in their own fields. Our staff is a dream team. We are quite committed to the promotion of health and well-being of our community. We are quite active in medical missions in the region, the most recent was during the Tal volcano eruption. As we face the new normal, health is the new wealth. At Santo Thomas Doctors Hospital and Medical Center, we are committed to care for your health.